Hi, I'm Emily, and I am currently a student at Kendall College. I work for the Academic Success Center, or ASC, which helps support Kendall students to be successful in their academic pursuits. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar. First, I'll show you how to access Google Calendar from your Kendall account in Student Portal. First, we're going to open up our internet browser. I suggest using Google Chrome because it works best with Kendall websites and most other websites. So we're going to go to my.kendall.edu and it'll bring you up to the login page. And here we're going to type in our email address, which is your first name dot your last name at student.kendall.edu, and then your set password. And then once you log in, it'll bring you up to the student portal. And basically, this is your access point to all things Kendall and how we're going to get to our email and Google Calendar. So up here, you have your name, logout button, student ID, and then go to email. And when you click that, it brings you straight to your Gmail student account, which bypasses another login place. So here, if you click on this, it's the home button, and it'll show you all of the Google apps that are available to you from your Gmail account. And here you can see Google Calendar. And when you click it, it brings you straight to the Google Calendar in the week-by-week format, Sunday through Saturday. And you can see that each day is broken down hour by hour. They input holidays, and you can see my appointments already in here. And that Friday is highlighted because that's the day today. And there's this little red bar indicates the time it is right now. If you don't like this format, or if you want to use multiple formats, up here you can click either just one day at a time, or you can look at the whole month as a whole. And here you can actually see the first day of winter quarter, that the school is closed. So because this is linked to your student account, Kendall puts in their events into your calendar automatically. You also have 4 day at a time, or you have the agenda, which just shows all of your appointments, holidays, and events happening. So back to the weekly, I'd like to mention that over here you have these arrows, and this just kind of skims through all of the weeks. And it's the same thing in all of these formats. Also, this calendar is interactive, so I can click on this and see the details for this event, or I can click on the empty box and create a quick new event. Let's call this homework. When I create it, it just puts it right there. Another thing is that the time zone is very important. You need it to be set correctly. A lot of times when you create the account at first, it just gives you a random time zone. So to adjust that, we're going to click on this gear box and go to settings. And then you want to make sure that you're in the United States. And then you want to make sure that you have it set to your time zone. So Kendall College is in Central Time, and that's what I'm in. So I'll click Central Time. But you need to make sure it's in your time zone. And if you don't know it, you can easily Google it. So we're going to hit save, and it'll update all of your calendars and settings to that time zone that you created. So here I want to show you how to create an event with a little bit more detail. So over here, we're going to hit this button, and it'll bring you to this page where you can fill this out and create your event. So I'm going to title it my doctor's appointment. And then here you'll see that this is the begin, start, and date time, and this is the end, start, and date time. So I'm going to decide to do this Wednesday, January 10th, and it's going to be at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Wednesday, January 10th. Also, these buttons down here, if you click all day, then that means I'm going to have a doctor's appointment all day on January 10th. Or you can click the repeat button and you can choose from daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, whatever you want. If I choose weekly, then that means that every week, Wednesday, from 10 to 12, I'm going to have a doctor's appointment. Also, you can add in a location, you can add in your description, you can even change the color, and you can set a notification. So here I'm going to click 10 hours email. So that means that 10 hours before this event is going to happen, it's going to email me saying, hey, this is going to happen soon. So once you fill that out, you can click save, and we can find it. If we scroll over, and here you can see I have a doctor's appointment from 10 to 12 p.m. And if you click on it, it'll give you all the details for it. So that's all I have for you here. I hope this video will help you use Google Calendar to organize your schedule. Please feel free to reach out to the ASC if you need any help with Google Calendar, time management, organization, or anything else to help you be successful in your classes here at Kendall. You can contact the ASC staff by emailing us at asc@kendall.edu. Thanks and have a great day.